So I just wanted to give a demo of how the online coaching works. So it is a weekly check-in system, and the client will send 4 things. So first off, being the training sheet where they can log their weights and reps, and also can give me a rating of how easy or hard the session was. Once a week, I will open up the next week of program and make any adjustments if I might have to change sets, reps, give weight prescriptions on particular exercises. So that's the first thing. The next is the tracking sheet. So this is where things can be tracked like fasted body weights, waist measurements, macros for those days, and just other data like stress, energy, hunger, and can also just give me any notes which they feel they need to provide. Also with the tracking sheet on the front page here, there will be the current macros for that week. I may adjust them depending on how the client's progressing or what they need. Sometimes it's weekly. It basically just depends whenever changes need to be made. But I review everything on a weekly basis. The next thing, and probably the most important thing, is the weekly question sheet. So there is going to be about 8 questions here. Things like how's your strength, energy levels, injuries, motivation, questions you like to ask. So what I like the client to do is fill this out in as much detail as possible. Of course, with that information, plus the training logs, plus the macro tracking, I will review all of this and then give a weekly reply, basically via a YouTube video just like this. And the very last thing that the client can send is just videos of their lifts in the gym. So just like I'm doing now, I'll put the video on my screen, and then I can review this and, point out where any improvements need to be made, and I'll usually just send this as a separate video from the weekly report review video.